Next is carrots. Just little baby carrots. Dump right in. Nothing too fancy. In fact, I'm gonna dump the whole damn thing in. Voila, done. Baby potatoes are next. Just cut this open, drop it right in. These are what? Mess's baby potatoes. Dump the whole damn thing in there. Now we're ready to add more water and add the seasoning. All we're gonna add in the beginning is soy sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, and gin. Well, I don't drink gin, alright? I don't drink gin, like I said before, so it's been sitting around for years. So I heard it's great for seasoning, so I'm just use this bottle up just for seasoning the meat right here. So let's add it in. Typical guy cooking, there's no measurement, you just eyeball it. So I think I'll put in four or five of this, alright?